Hello, happy new month and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chief Francis. Today I'll be showing you how to make your whitening face cream. This face cream, I call it babyface facial cream because it makes your face smooth just like the butt of a newborn baby. Okay, but before I show you how to make this recipe, let's quickly talk about facial routine. What's your face routine? Do you just wash your face, apply your cream, apply your face cream? How do you do it? For me, my face routine is I wash my face. I have a towel, a small hand towel that I use in washing my face. I apply my soap on my face and then use that hand towel to gently scrub my face. Those hand towels that are very small, just use it to scrub your face. It's very good, especially if you have pimples. When you have pimples, you don't need to scrub your face with a scrub. Just use your face towel to gently wash your face and gently scrub it. Don't use a facial scrub or anything. If not, it will aggravate or aggravates the whole situation. And for those that have what we call ingrown skin, for those ladies that have hairs under their neck, I used to have that a lot too. In fact, my neck was one time like this bird, this thing they call tolo tolo, turkey. That was how my neck is, so irritating, filled with bumps, ingrown hairs, until I got this. What I do is I apply soap on my neck and then I use this thing to gently wash it. It helps with the ingrown hair, trust me. A lady introduced this to me when I traveled to the UK, and I bought this at Primark, I think for £1. And after scrubbing my neck with it, I applied this oil, rose hip oil. If you're in the UK, you can look up this website, triology.com. I think it's about 19.99 pounds, but I got this on sale for 10.99. It's very good. If you have ingrown hairs, try to get rose hip oil, original rose hip oil. And this is also what I apply on my face during the daytime. During the daytime, I don't use any form of cream on my face to avoid sunburn or stories that touch the heart. This is what I apply on my face during the daytime. If you're in Nigeria and you can't get this, you can also use Vaseline. I use Vaseline at times. I apply Vaseline on my face during the day, and at night I apply all my orishi mixing. Okay, so now down to the making of the face cream. What we have here is Florida Babyface Day Cream. You can actually use this product alone during the daytime. It has broad spectrum SPF 50. It is very good. It is whitening and it also clears spots. And what we have here is Cream Mixing Miracle. I love this product, but it's always scarce. It's hard to find. It has collagen also in it. It contains collagen. It's from Morocco. It's also from this company, Ailke Beauty. If you can't get this, you can use any face cream, extreme whitening face cream, any good face cream to substitute. You can even use this Florida based cream and face cream alone, but I love combining these two mixtures. And so what we have here is our Skin Glow Whitening Gold Ultimate Whitening Serum. Okay, so I've seen videos of people mixing face cream, and then after putting in the face cream, they put like 3 to 4 different types of serum. And the type of serum we're talking about are not this type of serum, but those serums that like in the family of Skin Free Milk, Skin Freedom, those what do they call it, Abidjan products, those Abidjan serums. They'll mix almost 3 to 4 different types, and they'll say this is for sunburn, this is for this one, this is for this one, this is for that one. It's too much. At the end, what you will have is red face. you know, the beginning it might be good on you, but trust me, when you use those things on your face, within 1 month your face will turn red. You start experiencing red face. Even if you want to use those serums, we have the type we use. Those that train with me knows the particular type we use. But if you're making for yourself, or even if you want to switch it up, like me, instead of just giving my clients face cream alone, I include it with a serum. You can buy these serums and repackage. You don't have to mix it in together with your facial cream. You don't have to mix the serums with your facial cream. Okay, so the next thing I have here are my tubes. I'm using egg yolk toning tube. It also has the serum. I also use the serum. Okay, so the way I use this product, after washing my face with my facial soap, as a lady you should have a facial soap separate and different from your body soap. Just like the way we have body cream and face cream, your body cream should be separate from your face cream. So you should have a face soap. After washing my face with my face soap, I use my toner to cleanse my face. After cleansing my face with my toner, I apply my serum first. After applying my serum, after about 2 minutes, I layer my face cream on top. I apply my face cream. That is the best way to go about this. Even if you're a pro mixer, you can also do it that way. After mixing your face cream, you sell your face cream together with your serum. There are so many serums out there that you can use. All right, so let's mix it up and okay, for this face cream and this, I'll be using 2 egg yolk whitening cream. That's the only thing I'm using to mix this. Simple. Okay guys, so I am done mixing and this is how it looks like. I also added a bit of my sun defense. This is a sunscreen. I added half tablespoon, sorry, to it. I also use this a lot during the day, because when you are using a tube that contains clobetassol, your face tends to be, or your skin tends to be sensitive to the sun. So even though you're using it at night, you still need to add a little bit of sunscreen, so that when you go out, you know, during the day, your face will still remain perfect. And when you're going out during the day, you should also apply a little bit of sunscreen on your face. After about 1 hour, you can top it up, unless you're putting on makeup and then you don't want it to, you know, alter your makeup. But it's always good to have a handy sunscreen inside your handbag. And remember, ladies, people make face contacts before they make any type of contacts with you. People look at your face, they judge you from your face. So always keep your face spotless, beautiful, and shining. And remember what I said, you don't have to mix your serums into your face cream. Package your face cream separately, package your serum separately. If you're a pro mixer, like I said, you can buy and repackage, and then this one you mix it separately and sell. Okay, you don't have to start mixing 5 to 7 different types of serum inside your face cream. It will damage your face. You know those things they call ochosino ochronosis abi ochronosis abi, what do they even call it? Those old women with dark face, dark and black and green face. That is the end result. For those of you mixing all those Abidjan serums inside your face cream, be careful. The only serum that I know that is good you can use on your face, but over a very little duration of time, is piment dew. You can use piment dew, but once you have achieved what you're looking for, excuse me, you stop immediately. Okay, thank you guys for watching. My ebook is on sale because last month was my birthday, so I'm doing a birthday discount. So contact me for your ebook before it goes back to the normal price. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you like, share, comment, and I will answer.